love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and I wanted to show you guys the look we're going for today. Of course, today is a hair tutorial featuring Unice wig. I'll show you the unboxing and all the goodies they provided, including this cute little headband here, but I wanted to show you the end result first. This is a 5-minute wig install, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look with these beautiful curls, keep on watching. Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, Mrs. Lyons. That was corny, but today I'm going to be doing a wig install featuring Unice. We all know and love Unice. I think every creator on here has rocked a Unice wig before and we all love them. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the wig, and of course they gave me tons and tons of goodies. This is just a bag of goodies, so of course I'll show you that stuff in just a moment, but we are going to be going with a quick weave wig type of situation. We're gonna have a bang and some curly hair. So it's stuck. So let's jump right into it. The wig in question is her, and as you guys can see, she's a, you know, short curly vibe. I feel like she's a little bit longer than a bob per se. We'll see what she looks like when we put her on, but she is a headband wig, and you guys already know the headband wigs. It's Velcro. Now this one is different because a lot of them you have to show off your edges or your baby hair, or kind of you can also cover it up with those types, but this is one where you don't have to leave out any hair at all. This is literally something that you could put on and be out the door in 5 minutes or less. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna install her for you guys and show you just how quick and easy it is to install. Before we do, I kind of want to show you, in case you didn't see, this is what it looks like holding it. So this is the inside construction of the cap. Here is where that headband is, and then there's a big comb in the front center, a smaller comb, two smaller combs on either side, and then of course there is a small comb at the nape as well as the adjustable straps. So really easy, you just take those adjustable straps, and I like to just unhook each one if I can get it unhooked. So you just unhook it from where it originally was, and I like to take it to the very center. That way when I put it on, it'll be literally you know, a little bit snug around the nape. That way, you know, the wig will just feel like it hugs and is secure. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just take the strap or hook, get it in there really good, hook it. Now when I'll show you the wig, you guys can see it kind of gathers at the nape, and that is what you want. You want it to be nice and snug. I recommend wearing a wig cap or something to protect your hair. Again, there are 4 combs in here, and if you don't have a wig cap on, they may tend to snag at your hair, which is very uncomfortable. Slide her on like so, and then from the back I'll show you guys what I like to do. So I just take the elastic band and make it as tight as I can, and as you guys can see, it's nice and snug. And then I take the back or the end of the wig cap and go over and kind of just hook that into there and just pull everything down. Ooh, I was a little bit nervous, but I can dig it. I can definitely work with this. So key is the bang. I like a long bang to kind of cover my eyes almost, but you obviously don't want it to literally all the way cover. So we're gonna add a little bit of product and fluff it up and see what we come with. Now what I like about this is that it kind of camouflages that band. Like, I'm definitely gonna put a headband there. I think it looks good to start off with. So this is gonna be super easy to install. Let's show you what it looks like all the way around. Now that you got a look, let's go ahead and style her up. This is one of the headbands that they provided. We're supposed to be going to Hawaii this summer if the world opens back up. Not this summer, for Cody's birthday. So if the world opens back up, this is going to be the perfect headband for a look. I feel like this gives like European vibes if I was going on a trip to Europe. Again, I got small kids and we're in a pandemic still, so that's not happening no time soon. But this one gives me a vibe. I really like it with a little cute t-shirt dress. Definitely will be rocking this one. And then of course you guys know West Side. Got a little bandana one. That one's super cute. And then they also gave me one of these, which is kind of one of these rhinestone ones. I do already have a couple of these, but this actually will look perfect. Ooh, that's actually really cute. I didn't expect to like that much with this wig. What do you guys think? And then they also gave this little goodie bag here. They always give me these lashes and I love these. You get your wig caps and then you get one of these wraps. You guys already know this is the wrap you put around your edges. And then this is something new. They gave nail wraps. I actually do my nails typically at home myself. I typically will do my après, which I'm waiting till we travel. I've been trying to give my nails a break, but we're traveling next week, so I'll be doing my nails, and these are really cute to put on top. I've also been thinking about doing or starting to do like just gel on my natural nails. I really don't feel like this one needs product. I like it as is, honestly. But let's just add just a little bit of something to see if it changes the texture. You guys see it's a subtle difference to you guys, but to me it makes a huge difference. And usually I will go ham and like load the wig up with tons and tons of product. To you, this may feel like I did a lot of product, but honestly it's not. And you guys see that literally was an easy 5-minute install. And again, to each his own. If the bang is a little bit too long for you, you can trim it, or you can just pull the wig back a little bit so you don't necessarily have to cut into your wig. It's all about preference. I feel like when you add product, it turns it into more of a spiral curl, and I absolutely love that. It's the perfect length where it gives a nice short vibe, so it's not all crazy in your face and down your neck, but it's also, you know, not too short. Okay, so I went ahead and switched to this one. I think obviously for the shirt that I'm rocking, I can do, you know, a different one altogether to match my outfit. But I do like this one, and because the hair is curly and you really can't, like, it doesn't stand out that much. I think I can get away with it with this shirt. What do you think? Or should I just switch to like a black headband or a little taupe one that I might have? But I only switched from this headband to this one because if you have this headband, you know, it's kind of stiff a little bit, as you know it should be. So like kind of when you move to the side, you can kind of see my wig cap, and you know, we don't want to be clockable in this state. We want to look cute, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I actually just finished taking some bomb pictures and also shooting a quick intro for this video. You guys see me rock this headband, and then you also see me rock this headband. This is the final result. I decided that I like this wig rocked best with no headband. So to cover this up, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a black headscarf that I have. It's upstairs, but that's the one I'm gonna rock with this one because I do want to put something over, but I just feel like this one looks so much nicer, and it just looks so much higher quality without the headband in the middle. It just gives, I cut my lace wig into a, you know, bang opposed to a headband wig. So I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And again, it has the movement in the body. It's completely dry now, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I already filmed an outro, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!